Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to check storage on your MacBook Pro. If you want to check the storage on your MacBook Pro, then you can follow these steps till the end. First of all, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen. In the pop-up, click on About this Mac. Now click on the storage option from the top of the screen in order to see how much of your Mac storage has been taken by various categories of files. You can see that about 10 GB has been taken by trash, 8 GB has been taken by the apps. Similarly, some of the portions has been taken by the system data, and so on. And that is how you will be able to find out the storage on your MacBook Pro. You can manage your storage by clicking the Manage option. If you want to delete unwanted trash, click on the Turn On button right next to Empty Trash automatically. You can also optimize your storage by removing movies and TV shows that you've already watched from the Mac. Choose to store all of your files, photos, and messages in iCloud, and save spaces by keeping only recent files and optimized photos on this Mac. So that is how you will be able to see your MacBook storage space. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.